Back. Finally back. Finally back.
Hi. My hands. Let's go to church, guys. It's Friday.
Wherever you are, just lift up your voice and just bless the name of Jesus wherever you are.
So we haven't been to church in 5 months because of the lockdown. So it's my first time going back to church. I'm in my choir uniform, in case you don't know. I'm a member of the RCCG, Rehoboth Assembly Choir, Religious Complex Parish. So it's open now, so we're back in church, but with some social distancing and mask, but still, nothing beats gathering together to pray as a body in church. So come along to me, come along with me to church again. See you in church. Just arrived at the Anglican Center, just parking now, and then we have to put on our mask. You're not allowed inside without your mask. So if you're coming to the Anglican Center, make sure you're with your mask and your Ethera's app, else you won't be allowed into the complex. So let's go in. So you can gain access into the religious complex building. Yeah, so this is it. Yeah, app should be here. Now we're walking into the checkpoints, the RCCG the checkpoints. Yeah, so you go in and they'll check your in line to check our bags. So this is really checkpoint, and you have to see if your name is on the list, and then they'll take you in. Yeah. Oh, it's hot, guys. Really hot. What? News is very good. What to do? Yeah. Okay, checking the later. Ollie. This is Tiana Hall A. Enough social distancing going on here.
Continue our service in the Lord. I'm going to be why sit here? Why do you sit here? Part 2. I'm taking part 2, and we'll be talking about how do I move forward from.
How are you? Good to see you again.
Just ended and it was a great time in God's presence, and can't wait to welcome you to church next time. So have a beautiful weekend. Bye.